heading to Walmart now to go get some supplies, food, things like that. So I'll see you at the store. Guys, so just down here getting some more stuff ready. You saw me go get all the food. I'm getting SD cards cleared, getting batteries charged, got some extra battery packs. I've got to get my mattress put in the truck, get my backpack and all my fishing stuff in there. And then tomorrow all I've got left to do is I'll throw my kayak on the roof and I will throw the coolers in there and then I'll hit the road. So I've got a campsite that's going to be a few miles south of Estes Park. Looks like a pretty nice place. There's a lake around there. I've got a couple nights booked there, so I'm going to fish that lake, and then there's a couple lakes in Estes Park that I'm going to check out. So I'll see you guys on the road tomorrow. Well, all right, y'all. We're about 3 hours into an 8-hour drive to get out to Colorado. Oh, this truck likes to drink gas, cam, and being tuned on premium, but hey, you gotta pay to play, right? Am I even in frame there? I don't know. So, oh, I think I'm gonna get to Colorado probably about 5 or 6 p.m. their time. I am in Nebraska, so I will be going back an hour as I get there. Well, go through a different time zone. Anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you at the campground probably. All right. Bye. He knows what's good. Maybe in a couple years, huh? Well, I've just made it across the border into Colorado, stopped and filled my tank again, so hopefully not too much longer. Finally see the mountains in the distance. We're almost there. Well, I have finally made it to camp, a few miles south of Estes Park. Pretty nice campground. There's a reservoir over there I'm going to try to fish in the morning. The lady at the desk told me there's another one kind of up the hill a little bit that's got should be a little bit better, but the fish are pretty small. But in Estes Park, there should be some decent fishing. There's a creek that runs through the entire town that I'm going to try to fish. So hopefully I can catch something like a brown or a brook, because I've never caught anything like that. But I don't know. We're going to go check out the campsite here and then cook some supper. So not a bad campsite. Got a bear box, although I keep all my food in the cab. Surprisingly, we can have a campfire. Most time I come up here, they're in fire restrictions and I can't burn anything. So I think all I've got left to do tonight is I'm going to cook up some hamburgers and probably get my rods and reels ready for tomorrow. A little bit windy for this grill, but still better than nothing, right? Thanks to the wife for making the patties for me before I left. Got a few of those. So I'm gonna get my I'm gonna get my supper cooked up. I'm gonna probably start a fire. Got a little bit of editing to do, and then I'm gonna get up bright and early in the morning and go fish. So appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next video for sure. We're gonna have some fun here in Colorado. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.